welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Now, as I said on the last episode, I'm doing my African thing. I haven't showed African dishes in a while. Last time, back in episode 51, back in April 2016, I had made some biscuit and some okra soup. And then on episode 53, back in May 2016, I made some vegetable stir-fry rice, you know, the African style, and I made some moi moi with that. Now, I also recently just decided to do a different variations of some moi moi in 2023. Check that episode out. I did that last month in April. That's episode 143. I hooked it up. I had got some different ingredients in there, so check that episode out. You can check it out on my YouTube page, which is Plush2x, Plush, the number 2, the letter X. All right. Also, just last episode 145, I made some egusi soup. I haven't done that in so long. That turned out so delicious. Check that one out. That's episode 145, last episode. And today I am showing some ogbono soup. So now you may know that ogbono soup as draw soup is also known as apon. Okay, apon is spelled A-P-O-N, and ogbono is O-G-B-O-N-O. So yeah, I believe ogbono is Igbo. Igbos call it ogbono soup, and Yorubas call it apon soup. So yeah, either way, it's draw soup. Is a delicious dish. You can eat it with fufu, biscuit, different swallows as you can dip. Okay, all right, here's how you make it. Just like the last episode, you're going to need some bell peppers, you're going to need some palm oil, you're going to need some onions. Now, some people use spinach or leaf. I didn't put any leaf in here. I just used the bell pepper and onions. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make it. Now, you get some palm oil, you heat up the palm oil, and then you mix the ogbono. Ogbono, by the way, is wild mango seed. So yes, it comes powdered up. Well, I'll show you what it looks like. It's grounded up. It's grounded up wild mango seed. So yeah, you add the hot palm oil to it, and you grind it up into a paste. And then in a separate pot, you now this is a vegan version, so I don't do no meat stock or any of that stuff. I just use some water. Get the bell pepper and some onions. You blend that with some water, a little bit of water, and then you cook that down. And then you add the ogbono mixture, and then you let that cook down until it gets to be all drawy and slimy, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up first because I can't do it with the camera. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And here it is. I haven't had this in so long. This is why I'm cooking all this African food, because I haven't eaten it in a long time, and it's hard to find vegan restaurants that have African food. So yeah, this is the ogbono, aka apon, aka draw soup. It's powdered. I got this from an African store. And this is palm oil. I got the small one here. Now this, if it's I don't refrigerate it. If you refrigerate it, it gets hard. But yeah, when you warm it up, it gets to be more oily. Right now it's a little bit thick. Just like it does, like how coconut does, coconut milk, when it gets hard in the refrigerator. Okay, and this is what it looks like when it's all cooked up. And let me show you why they call it draw soup. Look at it. It's slimy, but delicious. Oh yeah, don't forget the seasoning. I use adobo. I forgot to mention the seasoning on the last episode. Well, let me show you what the egusi looks like. I'm not going to tell you how to make it. You're going to have to check the other episode out, which is episode 145. Look at it. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. And I made my stew. Yeah, okay. And that's it. Plush2x doing her thing. Showing you some African dishes that you can try at your own home and see if you like it. Because it's hard to get vegan African food anywhere. But there's some places. I had to go to New York actually in March to get some egusi, because I wanted some egusi. But now I'm making my own. Alright, stay tuned for more Plush2x International Meals. I've done Chinese, I've done Italian, I've done a lot. But yeah, like I said, I'm on my African dishes now because it's been a while. So yeah, that's all. Bye. Have a good day.